Welcome to Tracepos, your ultimate business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to do stock adjustment on Tracepos. The stock adjustment feature enables you to increase or decrease stock quantity, and you can also track them. Log into Tracepos and it will bring you to the Tracepos dashboard. Click on the Stock Adjustment menu. Click on the Add New Adjustment button. If you have the product's barcode, scan it. Otherwise, use the search option to find the product. Under the quantity input, specify the quantity that you want to add or subtract. Now, choose the adjustment type, whether it's add or subtract. Provide a brief reason for the adjustment in the Note section. Click on Create. That's it, this action will increase or decrease stock quantity of that item. Thanks for watching this tutorial on stock adjustment with Tracepos. We hope you found it helpful. Now you're equipped to effortlessly manage your business inventory. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy managing with Tracepos!